Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the Oh So and So. Today, we're going to repurpose. I found these big balls of rags at an antique shop in Iowa in the middle of a cornfield, which was so much fun. So today we're going to take this and we're going to repurpose it and we're going to make smaller. Okay, so to get started, you have to have a glue gun, scissors, and I got a bunch of these at a yard sale. I was so excited. $1. Awesome. So we're going to use these today. These are the paper mache balls. They are originally like for ornaments because it has these little strings, whatever. And then if you don't have those, you can always use styrofoam balls, okay? And I know if you don't have that, you have these. We're gonna repurpose these because I have so many of these. Okay, so we're gonna get started. I'm gonna put you in the window again without my finger being in the way. Alrighty, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this big rag ball and we're going to unwind it. Now the reason why I picked these rag balls is because it had the orange, the black, the blue, has the tan, and I thought how pretty would that be for a fall accessory for your house. All right, so to get started, we're going to keep the string on there. There's no need to take it off because you're going to cover it up anyway. I'm going to take the end of your rags, just place it on the ball. We definitely have to have some glue. I'm going to put a little glue on the end because we want to make sure that it doesn't move and that it stays a ball. So lightly put it down there because you know that glue gun is hot. So we're going to start wrapping. Kind of pulling a little tight because we want it to make sure, and we're just going to wrap it around. Okay. Going different directions, trying to cover up the styrofoam part or the paper mache on this one. See, from this big old ball, we're going to get a lot. In that bowl, I've already started. I think I've got like 6 in that, just from one of these. But look, how pretty is that? And you can always kind of twist it, kind of fold it. Covering up the center of the ball. Ooh, perfect. Now, unrolling. Okay, I don't want to cover up too much of the black or the orange. Okay, so then I'm just going to take my scissors, my trusty scissors, oops, and we're going to glue it again. See? Now, on this one, we have a little piece, and I don't want that, so I'm going to put a little bit of glue there. Not a lot. I'm going to be very careful because this stuff hurts when it's hot. Okay. After it cools a second, let's get all that excess off. Look. Alrighty. So from this size to this size, this one cost me about $8. I'm going to sell this one in my antique booth for about $2. And taking it and putting it in a wooden bowl. How pretty. And also put, you know, pine cones or whatever. Love a wooden bowl. Okay. Now we're going to do the same thing with this Christmas ball. And this is plastic. It's so light. I'm going to take the top off. See? And let's undo this ball a little bit more. And we're going to do the same thing. I mean, how perfect is that? I went to an estate sale the other day. And I got a whole box of these for $1. That's definitely cheaper than what you would find the styrofoam for. You're going to do the same thing. Slightly put it on there. And start wrapping. I've got to find a different way to kind of video all the multiple things that I want to show you. Besides put this phone in my window. Yes. Talk about fall. Oh, love it. We're all ready for fall. I'm not quite sure if I'm ready for the cold weather, but the fall is nice. You can always bring out your different clothes, which I'm excited about that. I'm kind of tired of wearing my shorts and blah, 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 blah. Perfect. Now see, can't even see where that knot was. Now you can cover these balls with quilt strips. Ticking. Oh, they look so good with the ticking. You're probably wondering, ticking, you know, the kind that used to have feather pillows. Okay, perfect. Now this has got a little bit more blue. I like that, with just a little bit of orange. I'm going to cut it off again and hot glue it. Perfect. So I would say from that one rag ball, I will probably get 15 balls out of it. So 15 times 2 is 30. 30 to $8. It's a good little profit. I hope you've enjoyed this. If you like what I'm doing, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And then don't forget to hit that little bell, you know, the little bell that goes ding. Alrighty, so I guess we're done for the day. I'm sure I will come up with something else for us to do that will be fun and to help, you know, decorate our house. Alrighty, have a great day. This is Oh So and So. See you next time. Bye.